Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome Today, it's actually Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. So I have decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's newspaper. And in the additional, yesterday's newspaper is Saturday, November the 27th. 2021. I've already solved the letter Sudoku and the Sudoku 2 stars. Now it's time. The last puzzle is a tectonic with 1 star. And I apologize for the video because my tripod is not working well. So I've used a pile of CDs to place my phone on top of it. Yes. Alright. And this will be number 3750. 3750. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 18. 18. That means should be an easy one. And for a 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see. Alright, first question to you is... By the way, let's get started. First question is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here the single box. Single box is always a 1. We have dual boxes. Here, dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. More dual boxes, no. Triple boxes. I see here the triple box. It contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, the 1 and the 3 is already filled in, so this box should be a 2. And remember, if you see a triple box, the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. So let me mark this 4 or a 5. More triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes then? No, I can't see any quadra boxes. Can't see any quadra boxes. Alright. Then the following strategy is to look for or recognize some shapes, some figures, some construction or structures, whatever you name it. For example, we have here the L shape, upside down. Remember, if you see the L shape, let me draw this, the L shape here. Alright. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. The following shape then. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape. Alright. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Let me mark this as a 2. Yeah. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. More of this kind of shapes? Yeah. Here, rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. Okay. Here. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. More of this kind of shape in this puzzle here. Here. Rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. More of this kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. Yeah, I think there's one left. This one. Yes, let me draw this here. Yeah. If you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. And those are the shapes. Only 4. There are more. But not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have 4 shapes or figures that you need to recognize. Then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get starting filling the numbers then. Alright. Well, this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 here. Otherwise, this box has the same number as that box. Should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The 1 should be here. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. This box is connected with that box, 4 and 5. Okay. So this box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box is marked with 4 and a 5. So we have a pair now, 4 and a 5 in this area. Let me mark those. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4 and a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well. Okay. 1, 3, 2 and a 4. Let me think. Yeah. No. Come on. It's taking too long. 3. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 2. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 2, but also those 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a 2 here. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 3. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 1. And that box should be a 3. Okay. Then 3 and a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and 4. But we already have a 3 here. So it cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Okay. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 4, can it be a 4? So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Okay. Alright. This box can be a 3. This box gonna be a 1, so the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Yeah. I'm thinking. 1, 2. 4. Yeah. Well, I think this box cannot be a 1. If this box is a 1, then those 3 boxes cannot be a 1. But also, this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 here. So it's not a solution, otherwise I have no 1s in one of those 4 boxes. So this cannot be a 1, this should be a 3. And that box should be a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 3, cannot be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 here. This box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 1 here. The only place for the 1 should be there. Okay. Then 3. 3. Okay. 3 and 1. Need a pair. Well. Let me think. 5, 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Okay. So now this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Lot of thinking, this one. A lot of thinking. Now we have a 2 there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Alright. Okay. 4, 5. Let me think. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. It should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 2 boxes left in this L shape for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5. And this box is connected with that box 4 or 5. Okay. I need a 2 in this area. Well, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. We have a pair, 4 and a 5. Okay. Here also 4 and a 5. Okay. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 there. And cannot be a 5 or double 5 here. Definitely a 2. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 5. 1 box left in this L shape for number 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box in this area should be a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. And I've marked this box with a 4 or a 5. Now, well, we have a 4 here, so this box should be a 5. Okay. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those, 3 and a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 5. I have a 5 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with 5, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes and there. This box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 1. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah. Need to think a little bit more than the 1 star. Well, I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Sunday. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Bye-bye for now.